Okay guys, this is Alan with FireWireAds.com, and today I'm bringing you cool tips about marketing and Facebook ads, Instagram, and all that good stuff. And today we're going to be talking about the almighty God Pixel. Whoa, the Pixel. What is a pixel? Pixel's like a little dot in an image, right? No, a Facebook pixel is a tracking tool that Facebook uses to gather information from the website. So when you get your website, if there's no pixel, they can't track any activity. So they don't know if a person's viewed the website, if they opened a certain page, if they viewed a video, if they bought anything, or they bounced out, how long. There is a lot of metrics in pixels, so it's very easy to set up. We're gonna set one pixel up right now. It's gonna take us like 5 minutes. So first things first, let's go to business.facebook.com. That's if you're on facebook.com, just type in business. Go to here, click that, boink. Now you may need to set up your company. If you skip that step, you need to go to the masterclass to set all that good stuff up. Now we're gonna go here, we're gonna make sure that we're in the right place. So I handle a lot of people's stuff, a lot of people's Facebook ads. So make sure you're in the right, ad account. Duh. Okay, so then we're gonna go to Events Manager. That's where the events take place, right? And then we're gonna go over to Business Settings. And then we're gonna say, okay, so this is a little bit confusing because they call it data sources, all right? You're gonna click here, see the data sources right here? Just click that. Business settings, and then there goes a big pixel. The reason why they call it data sources instead of just a big section for pixels is because pixels store data. Remember, the pixel is what's sending information back from your website to Facebook. It's saying, yo, Facebook, there's a guy on my website. You need to track his activity and put it in your database. And this gives more power to Facebook so they know what type of person is visiting your site and if it's good. So if you got a bad site, they're going to give it a bad quality, more in quality ranking in the previous videos. You may want to check that out. Anyways, let's go over to pixels. This is a brand new website, so we're going to set one up. So let's go here, add, connect the website using that. All right, marketing fire. Let's call this something fire. I'm setting this fire ads.com landing page. So we want to be real specific because we can have different or multiple pixels. So if you have like a blog, like this one has a blog, then you can have a pixel just for blogs, because the more data and the way you understand the customer, the better. So let's just take a real world example. If you're selling multiple products and you're selling, let's just say something so silly. Let's say you're selling clothes and you're selling cars. Well, you don't want to track and put those people that are buying cars with clothes, You want to keep them a little bit separate. So that's a big difference. But anyways, check your website for easy setup, for easy website. So just type in Fire Ads, the name of the website, FireWireAds.com, continue. This is how easy it is. Some people think it's hard. It's not. Managing my business, set up the pixel now. But you can set up the pixel later in the pixel section. Let's set the pixel up now. Yeah, duh. Add code and manually add the pixel. Just manually add the pixel. This is it. Copy the code. And the reason why I'm always pressing our CRM, our system, because it's so easy. The landing page is easy to create. We're going to go over here. We're going to go over to sites. Already there, looks like. Let me refresh that because I want to make sure that you understand from the get-go. This is the CRM that we're using. Easy to set up landing pages, drag and drop. It's integrated with Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, emails, SMS, every single thing. So we're gonna go over here and we have a bunch of different funnels. So a landing page is just that. It's a funnel because we have one goal: to sell something or get their information. Or I should say two, right? We don't have a bunch of bells and whistles. We keep it focused on one goal. So let's go over let's go find that. Where is it at? Oh, right here. Boink. And we go over to settings right here. Boink. And then we go over to head tracking code. Just like that. Remember what it says here. What does it say? Copy and paste in the header section of your site, the head tag. And because the system is already spelled out, just paste that, save that, and done. Okay, so now how do we test? How do we know if it's actually fired off? Well, there is actually If you go over to, and I want to press this out here, let's say, okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to find the extension for Chrome called the Meta Pixel Helper, okay? This is gonna let us know if it's actually working. So if you can't find it, just type into Google Meta Pixel Helper extension. Easy as that. Go here, click the first one, and then download and install that. I already have it installed, but install it. It's just really fast. It takes like 2 minutes, or not even, like 30 seconds. So now that we got it done, let's go over to the website, firewireads.com, and we need to, let's go here, and we're gonna say see this little pin code right here? Put that so that we can actually see it. Now you will see a number here, 1 or 2, depending on what you have there. So let's take a look. There it goes right there. The Meta Pixel is actively on this site. So this is fantastic. And there's some actually things you can do. So as you can see, it is accurately doing it by showing exactly here. Look, you can even test events. Look, test events. Okay, let's go here, test bar, just type in firewireads.com or whatever the name of your website is. It's gonna start tracking activity. It can even see like where you scrolled to, what did you click on, book a call, maybe submit something. All these submissions, all this stuff is being sent to Facebook, and that's the power. And that's why some people, they turn off tracking activity because they don't want, Google or Facebook knowing what they've done, but that's a whole nother story for another video. So let's go back into videos. And now this is so cool. This is so cool. Page view, step 1, 9:30 at 3 seconds. Submitted application, 9:30 at 02 seconds. Page viewed, 9:29 and 51 seconds. Exactly, I guess, it's in decreased order, but it's in exactly what I did on that. So you know that it's performing well. Now this is great when you're selling stuff, or you could see what people are actually doing on your website. So that's it. The Facebook Pixel is done. I hope you learned from this class. If you did, hit that big thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. I'm Alan with firewireads.com. And if you don't want to do your Facebook ads, or you need me to jump in there and check it out or take over, because it is time consuming, it's a little bit of a headache, blah, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.